In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download an email on Yahoo Mail step by step. Sometimes you may need to save an important email for records, store a receipt, keep a conversation for documentation, or simply download an email so you can access it later even without internet. The good news is that Yahoo Mail makes this very easy, and you can download any email in just a few clicks by saving it as a PDF file. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can follow along even if you're completely new to Yahoo Mail. And before we get started, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to open your Yahoo Mail account. Go to mail.yahoo.com and sign in using your Yahoo email address and password. Once you log in, you'll land on your inbox where you can see all of your emails listed. If the email you want to download is inside another folder, like Sent, Archive, or Spam, simply click that folder from the left side menu to locate the message you need. Take a moment to find the exact email you want to download before moving to the next step. Next, click on the email you want to download. This will open the message so you can see the full contents of the email, including the sender, subject line, date, attachments, and the full message body. Make sure the email is fully open on your screen because the download option works from inside the message view. Once the email is open, look toward the top area of the email where the action buttons are located. Now, look for the three dots icon, which is the More Options menu. This icon is usually located near the top of the email interface. Click on the three dots and a drop-down menu will appear with several additional options you can use for the email. These options include things like blocking the sender, viewing the message source, and printing the email. The option we need for downloading the email is the print feature. From the drop-down menu, click on Print. When you click Print, Yahoo Mail will open a print preview window showing the entire email in a clean printable format. This page is designed to look like a document, which makes it easy to save the email as a file. Don't worry, you are not actually required to print the email using a printer. Instead, we'll use the print feature to save the email digitally. Inside the print window, look for the destination or printer selection setting. Change the destination to Save as PDF. Once you select Save as PDF, click the Save button. Your computer will then ask you where you want to store the file. Choose a location on your computer, type a name for the file so you can easily find it later, and then confirm the save. The email will now be downloaded and stored as a PDF document on your device. And that's it. That's how you download an email on Yahoo Mail quickly and easily by saving it as a PDF. Now you can keep important emails stored safely on your computer whenever you need them. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.